Hello guys, and welcome to another day with ZIMALETA. In today's video I'm showing you the continuation of this color flip-flop type of a job that was sent to me by Serge and Roman. They did this on a budget, so hopefully you guys like what they have to show, and it's gonna be them talking throughout the video. Hello guys, and welcome to another day with ZIMALETA. In today's video I'm starting a new series. There's going to be a total of 4 videos. In this video you're looking at Roman peeling away his bumper, and I got my buddy Serge. He's a real estate investor. Also he's the owner of a shop. They do like insurance jobs. He was part owner. I'm not sure if he still does it or not, but he loves what he's doing, and he decided to share with me the process, exactly how to paint a car and all of this kind of things. Basically the whole idea behind this video and the series that follows, it is going to be not just any paint job. This is going to be a flip-flop paint job for the colors. So this is gonna be like a color shifting type of paint. Call it Chameleon or call it like a candy type of paint. I believe this is a $350 paint job. So Serge is going to share all the supplies that you're going to need towards the middle of this video. But what happened is we lost the sound for some reason to these sound clips here, and to all these explanations as to like what's going on. So I needed to actually improvise and actually explain to you guys what's going on here. The video is going to be kind of like partly English and Russian. We kind of like tend to go back and forth between the two languages when we're conversating, because everybody in the video is Russian speaking, but English as well. So as you could see, this car that is being worked on, this is a little SUV from this is a Mitsubishi type of a car here. So I'm not sure what happened to this bumper, guys. I don't know the backstory, but you've seen the way it was, and this is the way it is right now. So the whole car is going to be primered with black primer, and there's going to be bulldog that's going to be applied to the actual plastic bumper. So everything's going to be like really nice, and you guys could actually see some sneak peek in the front of this video. I'm going to post what the color is actually going to look like. Well, you guys already seen it, but anyways, anybody could do this on a budget in their garage by actually listening to the advice that Serge is going to give. And Roman is a student here. He's trying to learn how to do this. This is Roman's car, so they're basically buddies. So they decided to do it together in Minnesota while it's really freezing outside. So you're gonna really notice in the middle of this video there's plenty of snow, and they got the fire going to stay warm, but they love the cold. They enjoyed hunting and fishing and stuff like that, and also they work together on real estate investing type of homes. But if I have to tell you guys, we all share the same passion when it comes to cars and fixing cars up and painting them and doing things when it comes to cars. I like it, they like it, and we try to share knowledge between each other and try to learn from each other all the time. So Serge shared the proper way of doing things for this video, and I asked him if I could actually post his videos on YouTube. So of course he's cool about that. So I hope you guys will enjoy this little video series. If you do enjoy it, please leave a like and leave a comment or something in the video. If you have nothing to say, just say happy birthday. But anyways guys, enjoy the videos, and please subscribe if you haven't already. So right now he's getting ready to actually show you all the materials you're gonna need, including like something to heat up your place. Keep in mind, guys, this is a budget type of paint job. So some of the supplies you're gonna see here, they will work. And this is looks like a color shifting type of a pearl. They will work, but some things might be a little bit pricey, some stuff is not. So you could actually work in combination between the really expensive stuff to the really affordable, but the job is still gonna come out like looking really nice. So let's get into all the materials and everything you're gonna need to do this job the proper way. So first of all, you're gonna actually need some of this here. It's by Omni. I believe it's a reducer. I really don't know myself, but there's the number, and it is a reducer. And looks like we have some paint here. in the can. I'm not sure if it's a clear coat. That might be clear coat. But here's Roman here talking about his car. And of course they made like a nice little home type of paint booth for them to actually, you know, paint this car, because you don't want any bugs in there. So you could see some paint supplies here, some measuring cups, some filters, and things of that nature. And of course, lots of paint, lots of clear coat. You know, I believe this might be Omni clear coat. I'm not sure, but hopefully you guys actually know, and you will find out in the video, because Serge actually will explain everything in the video which you're gonna actually need. I know I already mentioned this, guys, but it is really cold in Minnesota while they're doing this, and you know, you have to like heat your place properly and use proper reducer for the drying type of purposes, you know, because you don't want it to dry like too fast or too slow. But Serge is going to explain all of these, you know, things you're going to need in great detail right now. But they happen to be right now gathering all the wood for the fireplace and everything else they can actually put in there and burn, because it is freezing right now in Minnesota. So as you can see, it's a home garage, and the car looks like it needs plenty of paint job right now, but man, it's gonna look really nice. So anyways, they got some cardboard for the fire, you know, time to actually set the fire up and make sure it's gonna be burning nice. And let's take a look outside at all the snow, because man, it is definitely snowing outside.
Такую краску в PPG Store или в любом store, вот такой корт, вот эта баночка будет стоить $800. Даже больше, пint стоит $699. Это корт. То есть это будет, ну, 1200 вот будет стоить. Это только Pearl. Тебе до Pearl надо будет base, потом тебе надо будет лак, то есть тебе выходит 3000 только весь материал. Guys, this is video gonna be for people that want to do the cars in the garage on a budget. This is a 2012 Mitsubishi Outlander. We're gonna do a custom paint. We do have a body shop, but we're trying to make a video for people that want to do a custom paint on a budget in the garage. As you see, this is a regular garage. We're just doing it for YouTube, and to see how it's gonna be. So stay tuned. It's gonna be a custom Chameleon. We're gonna use some products that we bought at a Valley Auto Supply, which is same thing you can buy at O'Reilly's or any PPG store. So this is kind of what it is. We had damage here, a new hood, a new fender, and we had some hail damage on the roof and some scratches on the side. So we're just gonna go we primed the whole car. We're gonna resand it again and see how we're gonna do. So we're not gonna say we're professional, we're just trying to do something on a budget that anybody can do without spending thousands of dollars with a body shop or anybody else. Серега, для кто первый раз красит, использовать желательно medium reducer, fast clear, который quick clear, потому что чтобы не было потеков. Вот. Это черная краска. Черная краска Omni, она продается, можешь в O'Reilly's купить, ее продают в любом paint store. Примерно корт будет стоить где-то $45, может чуть больше, $45-50. На всю машину тебе где-то 2 корта уйдет. Мы тут чуть больше взяли для других проектов. Вот. Значит, тебе надо будет для Pearl Mix and Clear. Это вот это. Это заказывается на Amazon. Вот такая вот. Она стоит $28. Любую краску дешевую делает дорогую. Mix and Clear. Это где-то $70 стоит корт. Наносится первое, наносится черный цвет, base, наносится первый color, это черный цвет. Потом ждется час-два, чтобы все закончилось. Наносится pearl, миксуешь вот это сколько тебе угодно, миксуешь это. Здесь добавляешь one part of the mix and clear, 1 part of reducer, mix it, then put this pearl on top of it, вот, в эту clear, and mix it up really good. When you're spraying it, you have to spray, you can't go one part to one part, you have to go from one corner, go all the way across, you can't stop because you'll get black lines. Вот, то есть corner to corner, понимаешь? Вот. Потому что когда этот pearl overlay получается zebra stripes, you have to go one end to another end, you have to walk around it. Once you're done with this, when you're happy with the color, ставишь маленький coat, вот этот один coat to lock the pearl in. Вот, еще я забыл, я еще одну принесу лак, который должен final coat. Когда ты это все сделал, поставил это, подождал час, ставишь другой лак, я в следующее видео тебе сделаю, чтобы ты понял. Вот. Это, когда ты это все делаешь, make sure, что у тебя между coats где-то 15-20 минут flash time. Don't build it up fast. Build it up with minimum coats. Last coat has to be super wet. Вот. И процесс будем записывать, чтобы ты понял, как это все происходит. Ну и все, вот как машина должна быть заготовлена, полностью запрограммирована. Да, еще самое главное, что этот pearl, когда ты будешь красить, make sure у тебя body все будет straight. Потому что каждая маленькая ямочка такая будет, из-за pearl она будет показывать, как будто у тебя большая яма. Вот, чтобы ты знал. Вот, everything has to be so perfect straight. Вот так как надо. И все надо, все под ноль затереть. Block sander. Block sander это вот этот вот такой ровный. Вот, и когда ты затираешь, терешь X-motion. Сюда. Тогда у тебя ровно будет. Чтобы проявить ровность, Рома, где у нас тут black? Этот самый там, дай мне. Вот. Чтобы тебе всю ровность вывести правильно, вот, Серега, я тебе показываю explanation. Вот такой вот есть guide code. Она тоже стоит там, я не помню, 10-15 баксов. Берешь, брызгаешь на surface, вот так. Вот, она такое черненькое происходит. Вот так. Это сильно много, надо вот так где-то примерно. Вот так, вот такими вот пятнами. Вот. Let it dry for 10 minutes. Кстати, вот здесь есть, можно сделать. Смотри. Let it dry. Видишь, она уже все почти dry. Все, dry. Это называется guide code. Когда ты затираешь. Вот, X-motions. У тебя где недостатки, но у тебя показывает. Здесь у нас все ровно. Вот. Смотри, все ровненько, здесь ничего нет. Этим хорошо выводить body lines. Тогда, когда ты ведешь body lines, когда, чтобы, вот смотри, я затираю, чтобы красивый body line был. Смотри, видишь, straight линия. Это так все профессионалы делают, большие body shops, так как надо. Вот, берешь X-motion. Видишь, я туда потер, сюда потер. И теперь смотри, все ровненько, красиво. Вот. И тогда у тебя получается body, все красиво, ровно.
My name is Serge ZIMALETA. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.